So now we come to the muscle tissue. Okay, muscles are present everywhere. See here, you can see in this diagram that muscles are present in hand, muscles are present in the digestive tract, muscles are present in heart. Okay, and these are all three different types of muscle. We'll learn this now. Okay, so the tissue is made up of many muscle fibers, that is muscle cells. Okay, muscle fibers are composed of numerous fine myofibrils. They are composed of what? They are composed of numerous fine myofibrils. Muscle fibers can contract, shorten and relax. Okay, muscle fibers can contract, that is shorten, and they can relax also, that is lengthen. Muscle take part in locomotion and movement. Muscles will take part in locomotion and movement, and they will make the locomotion and movement easy. Okay, so when you see the diagram of this muscle, you can see that these are the myofibrils. Okay, this is one muscle bundle, this is two. Okay, these are the muscle bundles and we call them as myofibrils. Okay, here you can see strips alternating of dark band and light band, and dark band and light band, and these are called what? Striations. Okay, so this muscle tissue is made up of many muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are composed of numerous fine myofibrils. Muscle fibers can contract, that is shorten, and they can relax, that is lengthen themselves, and muscles take part in locomotion and movement. Okay, now types of muscle. Three types of muscles are there. One is the skeletal muscle, that is the straighted voluntary muscle, smooth non-straighted or visceral muscle, and the cardiac muscle. Okay, cardiac muscle is typically present in heart. So skeletal muscle are the voluntary muscles which we can move according to our wish. Okay, and these and you will see specific type of dark and light band arrangement in these skeletal muscles, while in smooth muscles you will not see any striations, and these are the visceral muscles, and they will be involuntary in function, as their function or their movement cannot be controlled by your wish. Okay, like the digestive system. Okay, the digestive system, the excretory system, all are working on their own in our body. And third one is the cardiac muscle, the specific type of muscles which are present in heart. You can also see the three diagrams, and you can see the difference between the diagrams also. So now we come to the skeletal muscle. Now these are attached to the bones. Example you can give of that biceps. Okay, striations are present in the muscle fibers. Okay, light band and dark band would be present. Muscle fibers are bundled together in a parallel fashion. Okay, they are present in a parallel fashion, and a sheath of tough connective tissue encloses them. Okay, see, this is the muscle. So these are the skeletal muscle which is attached to the bones. This is a diagram of a muscle bundle. Okay, now here you can see that these muscle fibers are arranged in parallel fashion like this. These are parallel to each other, and you can see striations like dark band, light band, dark band, light band. Okay, so these are the straighted muscle, and sheath of connective tissue will be enclosing this muscle. Now we come to the smooth or non-straighted muscles. These are also called visceral muscles. Okay, so they are involuntary in function, not under our control, and fusiform, that is fibers taper at both ends. So here you can see that here the fibers have the tapering end at both the sides. Okay, like this, it is having a spindle shaped, that is tapering end on both the sides, this tapering end, this tapering, and they are having no striation, that is no dark band and light band will be seen. Cell junctions hold them together, and they are bundled together in a connective sheath. Okay, and they are seen in the wall of internal organs. Okay, so you see here, you can see in the diagram, you can easily make out that both the ends are the tapering ends, means they are the fusiform. Okay, spindle shaped, and there are no striations, and they are present mostly in the internal organs, and cell junctions hold them together in a connective tissue sheath. Okay, now comes the okay, this is the same slide. Now comes the cardiac muscle, involuntary muscle which is seen only in heart. Okay, cardiac muscle is only found in heart. So we know that we call a doctor who is specialized in heart functions and heart specialist, we call him as cardiologist. Okay, so the muscles present in the heart are the cardiac muscle. Involuntary muscles seen only in heart. Cell junctions fuse the plasma membranes of the cells and make them stick together, and communication junctions like the intercalated disc are also present, which allow the cells to contract as a unit. When one cell receives a signal to contract, its neighbor cells are also contracted. Okay, so heart have coordinated function of relaxation and contraction. So these communication junctions, which are the intercalated disc, will help in the movement. Like when the signal comes in one disc, it will be passed on to the other tissues in the muscle, so that the coordination can be with each and every cell. Okay, so this is the diagram of the cardiac muscle. You can see light striations here also, and you can see intercalated disc. These are the intercalated disc. Okay, these are the intercalated disc. See here, you can see here, these are the intercalated disc, and branching can also be seen here in the cardiac muscle. Now comes the neural tissue. Now neural tissue is made up of neurons. Neuron is a structural and functional unit of the neural system, we can say. It helps in the control and coordination of the body. Neurons are excitable cells, they carry impulses. Neurons are protected and supported by neuroglia cells. Okay, so you have to remember that they are protected and supported by specific kind of cells, which are the neuroglia cells, and they are present in the surrounding of the neuron. Neuroglia make up more than half the volume of the neural tissue. Okay, so this is the diagram of a neuron. We have dendrites, we have nucleus, we have cell body, we have axon, we have the Schwann sheath. Okay, nodes of Ranvier and all this. Okay, so neuron is made up of neural system is made up of neuron, responsible for control and coordination of the body. Neurons are excitable cells, they carry impulses. Neurons are protected and supported by neuroglia cells. Neuroglia make up more than half the volume of the neural tissue. Okay. Now this is the organ and organ system. Cells will make tissue, tissue will make organ, organ will make the organ system. Okay. This organization is essential for better coordinated activities of the cell. An organ is made up of one or more type of tissue, that is, heart has epithelial, connective, muscular and neural tissue. Okay, when we come to heart, we can see that in heart epithelial tissue is present, connective, muscular and neural tissue is present. Then only it can work. Okay, so in this way the organization is there. You can see here cells, tissue, then organ system is made, and then the organism is made. Similarly in plants also, cells, tissue, organ system and organism is made. Okay, so what we learned here, in muscle tissue we saw that three types of muscles are there: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are specifically found in heart. Smooth muscles are the, which you call them visceral muscles, which are fusiform or spindle shaped, and they are having no striations and they are involuntary in function. And in skeletal muscle we saw that striations are there and they are the voluntary muscles. Okay, see here, they are attached to the bones. Okay, and specific diagram is also here. And in smooth muscles we saw that they are having a specific shape, that is the fusiform, that means fibers taper at both ends and there are no striations. Cell junctions will hold them together, and they are seen in wall of the internal organs mostly, like blood vessels, stomach and intestine. Okay, these smooth or the non-striated visceral muscles are seen in the wall of internal organs such as blood vessels, stomach and intestine. Okay, cardiac muscles are involuntary, means they are working on their own. Okay, they are not under our control. Only they are found only in heart. Cell junction fuse the plasma membrane of the cells and make them stick together. Communication junctions are present in the form of intercalated disc. Okay, these allow the cells to contract as a unit. When one cell receives a signal to contract, its neighbor cells are also contracted. Okay, and see here you can see in the diagram, okay, on the extreme right you can see the structure of a neuron. It has dendrites, nucleus, cell body, axon. Okay, and this neural system is made up of many neurons. They are responsible for the control and coordination of the body. They become excitable and they carry impulses, and they are supported by neuroglia tissue, neuroglia cells. Okay, and finally we saw the organ and organ system organization, and we can give an example of heart, that how an organ can have more than one tissue, as heart is having the epithelial, connective, muscular and neural tissue. Okay.